Hello everyone, my name is Basavaraju. Today I am going to explain how we can create auto number field in Salesforce org. So let's start with what is an auto number field in Salesforce. Auto number field in Salesforce is a system generated read-only field that automatically assigned the unique sequential value for each record. When we create a new record, system will automatically generate one sequence number. That number will be assigned to that particular record. This is the auto number actually. User cannot edit this field manually. And also, Salesforce generates the value automatically when record is created. So basically, when the auto number build is using, user cannot be edited that field manually, and Salesforce generates that values automatically when record is created. What is the use of this auto number field in Salesforce? Auto number fields are mainly used for generate unique records IDs, maintain consistent numbering, avoid the duplicate entries, track record easily. So we will go with some real-time examples. For example, case, invoice, order. In all this custom or standard object, we have a case number, invoice ID, order number. In any other ticket number, student ID. In all this, we are using auto number field only. So what are the characteristics of this fields? So this field mainly in read-only mode only, automatically system generated, always unique, means there is no repeated or duplicate, cannot be updated by using user interface, supported in standard and custom object. This field supports custom and standard object, cannot be used as an external ID. So let's start with how we can create auto number field. So first we need to finalize the which object we need that auto number field. So currently I have one payment object. So in this payment object I have one record. So in this payment number is auto number. Okay, this it will automatically generated by the system. So we will go with project. Okay, so in project I don't have any auto number field, so I will create an auto number field and let me explore actually it automatically generate. So first we need to click on setup, click on setup. When click on setup, you need to select object manager. So in this object manager you need to select the object name. So currently project is my object. So project, I open that project object, it's a custom object. So then go to fields and relationships. Currently it contains this fields. So it doesn't contain any auto number fields. So I will create one more auto number field. So this is in data type we need to select auto number. So there is a caption like a system generated sequence number that uses a display format you define. The number is automatically incremented for each new record. For example, it will start with first record start with 1, then second record it automatically assign 2, like that. It will increment. Then click on next. Then I need to give the field name project number. So in here you can find one option like display format. So what is the display format? Format means we need to set the prefix name. Okay. So for example, if you are using payment, I just like set pay or pay. This is my format. Okay. If you are using invoice like this, if you are using receipt like this, okay. In display format is usually refers to you need to give the one prefix name. So display format means how your auto number will be looks, means it is something like alphabetic and the number. Okay, for me I need to create the I need to set the project, right? So I will give like PRJ, then my format is 0. So this is my format. So my starting number is 1. Then generate item number from existing record. Okay. Then click on save. Then make it as visible. Click on next. Click on save. So our field is ready. Then go to page layouts. In here, you need to verify that field is present in page layout. Then click on save. Okay, once you saved, go back, just hard refresh. Okay, now I will create new project. For example, click on new. So in here, you can see the project field is present, but you are not able to edit or do anything. Okay, I will give a like as apartments. So budget is something like project type is apartments. So click on save. When you click on save, Salesforce automatically generate number. Okay, means previously I created 3 projects. Now it will showing project number as 4. So I will create one more project for your reference, like houses. Again click on save. So automatically project number will become 5. I hope you understand this thing. Thank you for watching.